into this new tutorial. Not only I'm gonna teach you how you can start referring this platform to different people and start getting paid $50 just by bringing signups to it, so totally for free to sign up. And as well, I'm gonna teach you how you can start getting paid just for giving answers with this total new website, which I'm sure that most of you have never heard about it. At the end of the video, you will be able to earn more than up to $10,000 giving answers and just for doing referral to this platform. So in order to make it work and to understand who is this one and how you can make it work, you will need to stay with us till the very end of the video so we can teach you how you can do it. You will be able to earn up to $10,000 by just giving answers to it, and that's easy, guys, because everyone can do it. So stay tuned with me and follow every single step of it. As well, this kind of strategy is going to work for every one of you, so it doesn't matter where you become from, or it doesn't matter that you don't have any previous experience or any special skill. This is going to work for everyone. It is worldwide, so make sure to stay with me and to understand what you can do with this platform, which is totally for you. You will be the very first one who is going to get paid with it. Before going there and revealing to you the platform, welcome back into Better Personal Growth, where we daily share with you videos of making money online. If you like them and you want to see more, make sure to do the same thing as always by liking the channel, by subscribing to it, and by pushing the notifications on. If you are a new person who is watching for the very first time this video, we share with you here daily videos of making money online methods and strategies. So if you want to learn more, make sure to go to the red button and subscribe to it, to the notification button, and to push hard it, so whenever we post you will get notified. The name of the platform who is going to pay you that extra amount of money that you saw since the beginning of the platform of the video, it's called Respondent.io. This is a platform where you can reach the right audience for your user research. You can have high quality verified businesses professional ready to provide insights. You can have target by title, industry, skills, and more, and recruit, schedule, and pay high quality participant all in one place. Now, before you just interrupt this video and go to do it by yourself or get anxious about it because you will pay money, no worries, guys. I never share with you videos of where you can pay money or spend your money there. No worries. This is a kind of strategy that you will be able to use it totally for free and get paid for just doing it. But before going there, we will need to know some information about this platform so we can see if it is legit or not. This is a platform trusted by researchers from the world's leading brand like IBM, Microsoft, SendGrid, GoDaddy, Dropbox, Intuit, and more. This makes you totally legit that it is secured. As well, if you go to the Trustpilot and you see their reviews, which are very, very good, but compared to the stars that they are not so good, this is because this is a total new account, a total new website, and not a lot of people know it. That's why. But it's important that this is one of the best platforms trusted by the world's leading brand, which it makes you totally secure that you can use it. Now that you're here, what you're gonna do is to read some other information so you can spend 5 minutes more just by doing it. But before, I'm not going to go with them. I'm gonna tell you how you can start getting paid by doing referrals. You can see under the participants right over here where it's an option given to you like refer friends. Just click there and you will be directly right over here where you will see that you can get paid to refer your friends and colleagues to paid research studies. You can just click into sign up and complete or create a total new account, and you will see how much you will get paid. Once that your refer friends has participated and are signed up into this platform, you will earn your referral bonus. Their average referral bonus is up to $50, and you will get paid via PayPal. And this is how you can start getting paid again and again, even though that you're not sharing this affiliate link every single day. Whenever people go to your affiliate link and they sign up there, you will get paid. Now that you saw how you can start make money with referring people, what is important as well is to know how you can get paid more than just $50 by the use of this platform. You will be able to earn up to $10,000 just by doing it. And how you can do it is just by clicking into participants, and you will be directly right over here where you will see that you can get paid to share your knowledge and experience with this platform. Respondent is the best place to leverage your professional expertise for paid use research. Yeah, you will be just able to share your work experience and get paid just for doing it. So just to respond to this question, in order to access it, just click into sign up and you will be directed right over here where you will need to fill in some information like first name, last name, email, or you can just choose to sign up with LinkedIn and Facebook, which are the fastest one and the easiest one, so you will not lose time and just go with that. You can see here that you can work as a participant or a searcher. You will just click into participant, so you will get paid just for doing it. You can see again here how many platforms are trusting to this new website, and you will just click into preview projects, which is this option right over here in the left corner of the page, and you will be directed right over here. What are these ones? Are projects which are more than up to 300 projects to complete. You can see how much these projects are going to pay you and where you can work with them, which is the most important. These platforms or this kind of projects or research question are done remotely, so you can use them to choose or to solve them while you're staying at home or while you're drinking a coffee at work and so. You can see how much one of these surveys will take to you. So it's the very first one is 30 minutes, after that 60 minutes, 180 minutes, and 50 minutes. So you can just get paid just for doing these different jobs. What is important is here that you will see that they daily share with you new surveys, so you can just click and complete them. You will be able to share your information based on your work experience, and you will be able to earn more than $130 just by doing that within 50 minutes. So in order to make it work, what you will need to do is to create a total new account right over here and start getting paid again and again just by using it. I forgot to tell you that you can refer friends to different platforms. Like you can go to the very end of the page and you can see that you can refer them into your Instagram page or Instagram account, Twitter account, Facebook, YouTube maybe as well, or even other ones like Pinterest and so. What you will need to do is just to share this affiliate link and start getting paid whenever people sign up there. They will sign up and be directed into this page that you're right now, so you can get just paid to share your knowledge and experience, and you can tell this to your friends as well. You can type something like you will get paid just for sharing this information by using this platform totally for free, so they can be known and they know that they will not pay anything to this platform and they will be secured about it. This is how you can get paid again and again. At the very end of this website, you will be able to earn more than up to $10,000 per month just by doing it. If you like it and you want to see more new websites coming up day by day, well, make sure to show me your support by subscribing and liking the videos. Thank you for watching till the end, and we will see you again into other videos.